What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing. As you can see, it is a Sideshow box. No, I'm not gonna spoil it. I thought I would do things a little bit different today. I'm gonna do a super fast unboxing and then we're going to do a quick little overview or a review or whatever you want to call it. So let's speed it up. Okay, unboxing done, and we are back with the overview or review part as I promised. Now, as you can see, we have the Vision premium format by Sideshow Collectibles. This is the exclusive version as you saw before, and what makes this an exclusive is that we get an extra head sculpt, which looks absolutely bananas. Very, very cool. Probably won't be displaying him with this head, but very, very cool nonetheless. So, Vision, as I said, in all his glory. It's a mixed media statue. The cape is fabric, posable, with wires in it, of course. Just spin him around for you. I really like the pose. And the cape I just kind of threw on there and quickly just post it a little bit, so it needs more futzing. But I think it looks pretty good as it is. I'm really digging the pose. It is very powerful pose, very dynamic pose. Well, maybe not dynamic, but very powerful pose. Let me just pan down here and show you. That he is standing straight up, which works perfectly, in my opinion. You don't always need to have one leg up, Sideshow. You don't have to make all your statues look like Captain Morgan. Very nice. Just pan up again. So the paint, as you can see, basically just 3 colors. Face is red, body is green. It is a metallic green, which looks very nice when it catches the light. It is a little bit shiny, very nice. And the head is stuck on there with a magnet, pretty powerful magnet, so it won't fall off. And we don't want it to fall off, so let me switch out the heads and show you the exclusive head. And there we go. This is the first time I'm seeing it on the figure, and it looks pretty awesome, I must say. It looks better than I thought it would. So maybe, I don't know if this will be displayed. I don't think so. It looks awesome, but I think I'll stick with the normal, regular head. I think, yeah, this is the head I'm gonna display him with. Very nice. Also with the, of course, metallic paint job, magnet at the bottom, and I'm gonna try to switch it out one more time. There we go, and there we go. Yep, this is the look. It is more, looks a bit more menacing. I can just show you this a little bit closer before we go. Tongue out, hole in the cheeks, very nice, very cool. The eyes are popping out of the head. And some metal parts. Oh, there we go. So, overall, very cool figure. It will fit right in with my Captain America and Thor. I would just need to find some, well, not some, a Iron Man and a Hulk and a Hawkeye and so on and so on. And we'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.